Hey, it's Anne Marie here, and I just wanted to give you a little tour of my backyard because it's so special. This is my lemon tree that I grew from a seed. And then come down the steps. I've got a strawberry plant. And a little garden here. This trellis I repurposed from a gazebo that had fallen apart, and I joined it together to make a lovely trellis. So follow me. I have grapes growing up this tree. And dragonfly around here. Way to the back, my lovely owl coming through the gate to my swimming pool. And you can see our treehouse in the background there. So let's have a look. I have quite the jungle of a yard back here. And I'm going to be having a deck built in this area here that's going to be connected to the pool. So I can't wait till that's going to be done shortly. So I will come and show it to you after that's done. And there is my tree house. And let's go up and have a look. Door, open door, and let's have a look inside. Up steps. Yeah, it's kind of falling apart. Some parts of the roof are rotted and gone, so I might just take the boards out and have this as an open area. And you can see the pool from up here, which is pretty cool. And then follow me through this door. Doesn't come all the way open. It's kind of like a tight little squeeze coming through here. And ducks. There we go. A view of the pool. And a little bridge here. Let's go for a walk on the bridge. And you can actually crawl through all this space here. When my kids were little, it was great fun to crawl all the way down here. And there's another little bridge here, places for climbing, and then tires to climb down there. And this is actually wisteria that's growing up here. Some years it blossoms, and some years it doesn't, so and we'll go back this way. This tree house was here when we bought the house. And it's still standing. There you go. I can't flip it. Anyways, let's go back outside. Going back down the steps. Yeah, this was that other area where you can climb all the way up and down to the top. And a nice little area under here. You can hang a hammock. So that's the tour of my yard. Very magical place. I love it so much. And I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's really hot here in Ontario, Canada. So goodbye for now.